Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenbarger, SEMA 2019, and I'm in UEM with my friend Chris Sulpizio. And you know what? There is a huge story to tell here. You guys have been doing this almost 100 years.
Yeah, I think we do have a story to tell. First and foremost, we've been making pistons for almost 100 years. My great-grandfather started this company in 1922. We forge, we cast, we do everything in-house. We offer a couple lines. We have Civilite, our flagship line. We do OE replacement. We have a mid-level line, which is KB Hyper Eutectic, well-known out there. We also do Icon Forge Performance, and we have a good, better, best story there. We offer a more budget forging all the way up to top level racing. We offer all alloys. We have just your standard eutectic. We have hyper eutectic alloys. We have 4032. A lot of expertise in-house. We have a lot of family proprietary processes that we put into our pistons. Not a lot of people know about that, and I think one of the big misconceptions about United Engine is who we are. And just, it's important for me to have people understand all that we do. People know us for Civilite, they know us for KB. You know, we have a new diesel lineup out there right now, Return the Diesel. When you make pistons for 100 years, you swing different ways. And we did diesel for a long time. We got away from it. We went heavy automotive, but we're back, and we're making a real nice diesel piston.
What do you think the key to the company's longevity has been? Is it that work ethic? Is it keeping it kind of in-house? What is the answer to that question? What has made it successful for almost 100 years?
I think it's a do-it-yourself mentality. The name itself, United Engine and Machine, doesn't really speak to a piston company. People, you know, still call us, "Are you a machine shop?" The reason why we have that name is we used to build all our own machinery. Up until probably the early 80s, everything was made by us, custom piston machines in-house. Of course, now with the requirements on pistons, the tolerance needed for race applications, we've gone fully CNC, fully diamond machine everything, and every one of our processes actually. So we still have that do-it-yourself attitude, and I think that is probably one of the biggest keys to our success.
I can't help but ask, somewhere in some shop, there's a lot of cool machinery that isn't used anymore, but it's got to be like walking down memory lane.
We have a dark corner in the back where some of our old machines are. We don't use them for only some of our older applications, but man, we've made a big push in probably the last 4 or 5 years on new applications. That's what I'm about. I'm 4th generation into the company. I'm very fortunate to be in a long line of men that have built pistons for a long time, but it's time for some changes, and that's kind of what I've been doing.
All right, Chris, you've proven that if you work hard, have the right dedication, and the passion for automobiles, your company will be around for another 100, maybe 200, maybe 300 years. We don't know. But if people want information about anything from factory replacement, high performance, diesel, sport, compact, anything, where do we send them?
You can find us on the web, where you find everyone else, www.uempistons.com.
You heard the man. It is SEMA 2019.